gray tint and privacy. This door has the Crest 3-point locking handset. It also has true light separation. This is different than the Deco. These are actually 4 different pieces of glass. You might look at the other side. You can see that there's actually glazing beads around each section. This is 3-dimensional, it's 3/4 of an inch, proud of the glass. So this is true light separation as opposed to a Deco, which is a 3/16 thick piece of acrylic that is applied to the inside and outside of the glass to create all those other geometric designs that we offer. There are many different ways to do the true light separation. You can do 4, 3, you could do unequal, which would just be one here, bottom solid panel, and the top piece of glass, which you could add grids to, is a look that a lot of people go for. So this is actually really not more expensive than the Deco. And if you want to do something basic like this with horizontal lines, it's nicer than just the applied glass. But with the Deco, you get the option of doing many more designs.